This is shock assembly, and today we are going to see how to make this hexagonal bolt in this shock assembly. This is how hexagon bolt is looking like. Now let's start it with CATIA. First go on start button, then go on mechanical design, and after that part design. Then wait for some time. It will take some time for new window. After that select plane, then go on sketch option. After that take this hexagon, make one hexagon. Now let's see dimensions. This is 104. Take this constraint option, select this line, I mean edge, and this edge, and distance is 104 as shown in figure. After that go on exit to workbench, make this pad command, and given dimension is of 45, length is 45. After that again go on this surface, go on sketch option. After that select this circle and make one circle through center whose radius is given as 50. Go on constraint option, select it and give here 50. After that go on exit to workbench. The given length is, first go on pad command, given length is 445 and enter it. After that now you have to use, you can see here the dimension are given as 45 and 4. What is this? Let's see it. For that the chamfer is given here, so first go on chamfer. Then you can see here the angle is asking us, and it's 45 is given in figure, and the length is asking, then the length is 4 as given. After that select edge and then click on OK. This is how chamfer is created. After that we have to remove extra material from this side. So first select the plane which is going through corner, not through edges. You can see this plane is going through this one corner and this second corner, but this plane is going through this edge and this one is second edge. So we are using this plane which is going through corner. Select it and go on sketch option. Use this not fit in screen if sketch is not visible. Then go on this constraint option, select this line and project it. After that use this corner command, use this and use this, and the given diameter radius is 12, so give it 12. And now use this sketch option to complete your entity. We are not giving constraint to this, so because we are going to remove that part, it's not mandatory to give dimensions to it. After that use this groove command, select axis and take preview if you want, otherwise click on OK. This is how we have completed our this hexagonal bolt. Thank you so much friends.